exploring creation with physical science. The first experiment is about atoms and molecules. So what we have here is a 9-volt battery with copper wire. One end has
It looks like a cockroach.
And the other ends have also been stripped on the end.
You see? It's fantastic.
Oh yeah. And here we have water that it has baking soda in it. You really just can't tell.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Already? Okay.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. And what we're going to do, what we're going to see is a molecules breaking down while other molecules are being built up. I have no idea what's supposed to happen. So what happens,
Neither do I.
So these copper wires are connected to the terminal. They're secured with tape. And neither of the wires are touching each other. And when I put these in the water, I cannot let them touch each other directly. So
can I get in here tight?
Go for it. And I'm gonna put these in, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna have to hold these here for 10 whole minutes.
Ooh, there's something happening.
Elijah, why do you have the slate here?
Because he thinks that we're gonna do it. Ooh. Okay, so all that is, was there vinegar too, or is it just water and baking soda?
Water and baking soda.
Water and baking soda, a copper wire hooked to a 9-volt battery, attached with masking tape.
We'll stay here till 10.
Okay.
She took it out a few
Wow,
times.
we have 2 minutes to go till our 10 minutes are up.
These are copper wires.
The water is very blue, and we see some change in the wires. Anything else, Abby?
Yeah, the positive wire, if you'll notice, has turned blue.
Can't wait till we pull that out.
Positive copper wire, and yeah, and it's tinted. The water's tinted blue. Yeah, these wires have been just spewing forth bubbles for the past 9 minutes.
Awesome.
Oh, is it
Which has made the water turn
oxidizing?
blue.
I don't know, is it?
Blue. I mean blue. Blue. Blue.
Awesome. And any heat coming out of this?
Not that I can tell.
Any smell coming out of this? No?
No, nothing I can tell.
Okay.
Is that what it said? It's just in
The 10 minutes are up, and we are pulling out the wires here.
Abby, take a look.
Abby, stop watching the news.
Sorry. Yeah, so...
Yes.
So, you want to see the water?
I see the water. Ooh, blue.
Is it
Let's see the wires.
Positive is the gray. Negative was the white.
This is the positive. That's the negative. And did that one change at all? Put it
No.
against the white napkin. I don't want to get it too close because then it's not going to. But that one, the positive one, has turned completely blue.
Yes.
Fantastic. Hello everybody, wasn't that an exciting science video? Okay, so now you're probably wondering, what did we see? So I am gonna go over it right now. We saw a 9-volt battery with 2 wires sticking out of it that went into a jar of water, right? So this is the jar of water. Here is the water, and you had a, wow, my kids are really loud. You had a positive and a negative coming from the battery. So you had a positive, oh, wrong side. You had the negative and you had the positive, and you had that going into the water. And water, of course, as we know, is H2O, 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. And so once you have this water plus the electricity, right, you ended up having all these free floating hydrogens and oxygens and hydrogens and oxygens and hydrogens and oxygens, and the oxygens would then bind to the copper wire, and you have the oxidizing of copper, which turned it, oh, you can't even see that. My goodness. You have the oxidizing of the copper, and that's what happened to the oxygen, and the hydrogen was the bloop, 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 the bubbles. Which hydrogen for the bubbles. And so that essentially, basically, was the experiment. It was the electricity from the battery coming in, blowing apart the water molecules, and then the oxygen binding with the positive cable, and the hydrogen being released in bubbles as a little byproduct there. Alright, I hope that was clear, and until next time, bye bye!